Hi guys, this is a girl Zama. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to contour your own hair at home, like 4 to 6 lines just for you to wear your wig and go wherever you want to go. It's very easy, it's very simple guys, for beginners. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy my video. I hope you like it, and then later on I'm going to show you how the easiest way and safe way to remove wig glue off your lace wig using a dish liquid or a dishwash and a toothbrush. Just imagine, less than 2 minutes, your lace front you'll be clean, buffet, very clean. So let's stay tuned and watch this video. If you are new, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment in the description box. Don't hesitate to ask me anything guys. It will help my channel to grow, and I'm there to answer any question that you want me to answer. So just ask me anything, comment, just press the like button guys. It's for free. Just to press subscribe is for free guys. Just to press guys, please. It's for free. For all my returning subscribers, I thank you guys. I really appreciate it. I thank you so much. I love you guys. Let's get to the video. Let me not talk too much, ne? Yeah, let's get to the video. These guys, these two things is a fenugreek seed and rosemary. So I soaked them inside that jar for a day, like overnight, and then I use that water to spray my hair while I'm having those lines. And guys, to tell you the truth, this mixture or this combo, it has worked for me, especially my hairline. It does wonders. Please try it out. It will definitely help you if you've got hair loss or your hair is fused, not thick, like like definitely guys, use this water. It will help you. It will help you. I'm telling you. You see my hairline is showing now. Now it's coming out. It does work, guys. It does wonders. Try it out. You can get these things like this on Spice. If you're here at Josie, yeah, you can get it like this on Spice where they sell spices. Yeah, you can get fenugreek seeds or rosemary. Is either the fresh one. Mina here, I used the dry one. So yeah, guys, try it out. I'm telling you, give yourself like a 2 weeks inyana or 1 week challenge and see it won't grow now, but definitely you will thank me later. So yeah, let's get to the video. I talk too much. So here guys, this one is the part where you remove glue off your lace using a dish liquid. As you can see on the video, you brush using your toothbrush, but be gentle guys, so that you won't damage your lace closure. Yeah, just put it on the dishwasher, or you just brush. It's very easy guys, and it's very fast. It won't even take a minute, but don't mess your lace. Yeah, if you see the glue as a corner, just continue and brush until you see everything is out. Yeah, it's very easy. It's either you repeat it twice or 3 times to make sure your glue is off. Yeah, try it out guys. Yeah, try it out. You thank me later. I'm telling you, it's very easy. Just imagine, dishwash the toothbrush. Yo guys, I wanna dishwash liquid the toothbrush. Your last friend, to be like, thank you. So let's get to the video. I talk too much guys, I'm sorry.